How are we doing, everyone? We are back with week 30 of GoMining solo mining. Now, we are down to 2 miners. One is a bonus miner. 230 terahash, still 20 watts terahash. And now we are down to a 6.06% discount. But, you know, we finally sold this miner. Finally sold it. So we put the 100 from the one that we sold into this one and then added an extra 15 terahash, which is just lovely. But unfortunately, we're going to be running out of GMT soon. Very, very, very soon. I would say probably the next, let's just look at this. The next 2 days probably. Actually, if anything, we'll run out tomorrow because I don't think I'll have enough to pay for the next day. But either way, the total Bitcoin rewards is 0.035763331 Bitcoin. It says it's worth $3,156.87. Sorry, 78 cents. But if we copy and we bring it over to the Bitcoin to USD converter and we paste it, it is worth $3,160.43. Call it 44 cents. We are off by only $4. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Seems like Bitcoin is ranging at this price. Hopefully it's ranging. Hopefully it doesn't make new lower lows because it has dropped in the past month 20%, which means our total Bitcoin rewards has dropped by about 20%. So if we take our 3,100 and call it $60 and we times that by 20%, we would be up an extra $630. That's a stab in the heart. But I don't care. I don't care. I still have these. I still have the Bitcoins. That's all I want. But now on to our weekly rewards. So for November 11th to November 17th, I still don't trust this number. Yeah. So we're going to calculate it. Let me just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. You can see right here, this is where I got the extra 16 terahash from the bonus miner. And then the next day, we added another 15 terahash overall. So like before, we're not going to add the first 0.40s because there's no point. That's just wasting typing time. We are just going to do the last 4 numbers and then we will add the zeros afterwards. So starting at the 11th, we are at 86, 87 plus 87, 19 plus 8886 plus 8895 plus 8879 plus 9005 plus 9670 equals, look, it's, what is this? What? It's totally wrong. Totally wrong. I don't like that. We're going to copy this, and we have to add a 0.30. 0.30. Our total weekly rewards were $55.42. Call it 43 cents. Not too bad at all, especially for being down 20%. It's actually not too shabby at all. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. But either way, we are down to just 2 miners. Technically 1, not including the bonus miner. And we are going to run out of GMT very, very soon. Most likely within the next 2 days. Or tomorrow. Oh well, that was a good amount of discount that we had. We were up to like a 16% discount. Either way, still mining Bitcoin. And if you want to start mining Bitcoin, you can start for just 1 terahash. They have now taken away the 20 watts per terahash, so you can only do the 15 watts per terahash. You'll be making 1 cent a day, and it only costs you $24.99 to start mining Bitcoin. That's way better than, you know, minimum few $1,000s for a mining rig, physical one that, you know, you're going to have to set up and maintain. For this, you can start literally for just $24.99. You're making a penny a day at current rates, $4.05 a year. That is up to a 16% ROI. Still better than the stock market. Still better on average. And you can use my referral link down in the description below. You'll earn an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase. So say you start with 1 terahash. Well, with that extra 5%, you'll get 0.05% terahash extra. If you start with the 96 terahash miner, you'll get 4.8 terahash absolutely for free. And, you know, 4 terahash alone costs just over $100. Just over $100. Absolutely for free. So yeah, do your own research, look into the bonus miner first, and have a good one, guys. We'll see you soon. Adios.
Here to trade another day. Here to trade another. Here to trade another.